Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is D and you're now tuned into New Touch Auto. In this video, we're going to get into changing out your headlight from your BMW vehicle. Now, this is a 2012 model. We're going to dive right into it. The headlight we're going to change out is this one right here. And we're going to do it the easiest way possible. Now, you can take out the entire headlight housing, but why do so when you can do it from the backside? It'll be easier to take off your tire, but you don't necessarily have to do so. You can do it with the tire on. It just gives you a better visual and a better feel to get into that bulb. And you're gonna notice there's a plate right here. It's a cover. It's covering the backside of that light. Now you may have Phillips head screws or you may have 10mm bolts. I noticed on this vehicle there are screws on the other side, but here we have two 10mm bolts. So once your screws are removed, the flap is going to come out, slide it back, and just let it sit. Now on the inside, we have a plastic cover here. And what you want to do is twist this counterclockwise. Pull it out and just sit it down to the floor. So if you notice here, that is the back side of the headlamp. We're going to go ahead and twist this counterclockwise and we're going to remove it carefully. So once you remove your headlight, you're going to go to the back side here and you're going to pretty much wiggle this away from the light. Once you release it from its lock setting, you're going to go ahead and separate. And what's going to happen is going to swing out and then you're going to pull it away from the old lamp. If you notice, there are two prongs. You have a prong here and there. They'll have to align in the same manner as this one here in order to clamp it back down. So you're going to align them there and there. So once we align it, we're going to go ahead and hold it together, swing that bar, clamp it back down. Once you place the retainer back together, we're going to go ahead and connect our wiring. We're going to get this, align the prongs, and we're going to twist clockwise. Now, after checking and making sure you got a secure fit, we're going to go ahead and put everything back together. And that concludes the end of this video. You have successfully replaced your headlight in your 2012 BMW. Now hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our videos. And I thank y'all for watching. Catch you on the next one.